ChatGPT is a revolutionary AI technology that's changing how we interact with computers. Let's explore what it is and how it works. ChatGPT is a large language model, or LLM, designed to understand and generate human like text. Think of it as a powerful tool that can understand your questions and provide detailed conversational answers. ChatGPT is built using deep learning and a transformer architecture. This powerful neural network design allows it to process and understand text in context. The transformer uses what's called self-attention to analyze the relationships between different words and phrases. ChatGPT is constantly evolving with new features and updates. After its initial launch in 2022, OpenAI released custom GPTs and data analytics features in January 2024. More recently, in March 2025, they launched the OpenAI Academy, a free online resource hub to support AI literacy. One of the most significant recent developments is the introduction of custom GPTs. These allow users to create specialized AI assistants tailored for specific tasks and knowledge domains. You can upload your own documents and configure the GPT to focus on particular subject areas. To maximize ChatGPT's potential, it's important to stay current with its evolving capabilities and new features as they're released. To harness the full potential of ChatGPT, you need to master three key areas: prompt engineering, practical applications, and ethical use guidelines. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting effective instructions to guide ChatGPT's responses. The right prompt can dramatically improve the quality and relevance of AI-generated content. To master prompt engineering, focus on these 5 key strategies. Craft clear, specific instructions, provide adequate context, use multiple choice formats when appropriate, break complex tasks into manageable steps, and refine your prompts through iteration. Let's now explore the practical applications of ChatGPT across various domains. ChatGPT can be applied across various domains, including content creation, data analysis, customer service, and business planning. Let's examine a specific case study of how a retail business might leverage ChatGPT. A retail business can use ChatGPT to analyze sales data, predict future consumer demand, and develop optimal pricing strategies. Additionally, ChatGPT can enhance inventory management and improve customer communications through automated yet personalized messaging. While ChatGPT offers numerous benefits, it's essential to understand its limitations and ethical considerations. When using ChatGPT, it's crucial to address ethical considerations, including content ownership, originality, potential biases, and sensitivity. Always verify information generated by ChatGPT with trusted sources. Respect intellectual property rights, and be aware of potential biases that might exist in AI-generated content. Consider privacy implications when sharing sensitive information, and maintain human oversight in critical decision-making processes. Remember that ChatGPT has limitations in contextual understanding, reasoning abilities, and up-to-date information. Always approach AI-generated content with critical thinking.